Hi, I'm Barb Farley from the Performance Development Group, and welcome to the Performance Minute. Let's be real. Most performance initiatives don't fall apart because the strategy was wrong. They fall apart in the execution. Because learning alone doesn't change behaviors, reinforcement does. And yes, this part is often skipped. Without a plan to practice new behaviors consistently, they fade. Not because your team is lazy or resistant, but because the change wasn't supported long enough to take hold. So here's what I want you to think about. What's that one high impact behavior that would move the needle right now? Are you reinforcing it consistently, or are you just assuming it's stuck? If it matters, it needs more than just a learning event. It needs coaching, real-time feedback, visible accountability, and repetition that fits with the rhythm of the field. Let's be honest, execution only scales when habits do. For the Performance Minute, I'm Barb Farley. See you next time.